Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in a Ford Edge smart fob, and this is used from 2011 to 2015. Okay, so it's kind of a slimmer, longer key fob. First thing I want to do is turn the back here, and you can see there's kind of a little latch, and if you pull this towards you in this direction, you can pull out this valet key. So go ahead and pull out the valet key, and what we need to do is we need to separate this backing into two parts. You can see there's kind of a line that goes all the way around the key here, and if you look at the top here, we've pulled out the valet key. There's two little spots we can kind of get some leverage. Basically, we need to pop off this backing. So if you don't have like a small little flathead screwdriver like this works best for kind of getting underneath and being able to pry off this back. But if you don't have one of these, you can actually just take the valet key, and if you pop it into those two spots on the edge there, you can get some leverage underneath and just kind of keep working it a little bit, and you can see it start to get some edge here, and then this will you'll be able to pop this off. You see this internal circuit board? Don't do anything with that, but when you flip this over, the battery that you need to change is here, and you can see it's the negative side is up right now, and there's a little plastic or a little metal casing right there. Make sure and leave that in when you pop this out. So if you have a little paper clip or a small flathead screwdriver, you can get to the battery here that you need to replace. And the battery is a CR2032 3-volt battery. So when you get a new one of these, I'll link to where you can grab one of those on Amazon. Just make sure and put the positive side down. So the positive side has all the lettering on it, so put that down away from you and make sure that it engages that metal piece there. Once you have the new battery in, this just pops back on. Just kind of line it up here and make sure that everything pops back in. Replace the valet key, and that's how you change the fob battery on a Ford Edge. And again, it's a CR2032 coin battery.